Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northern Love County in southern Oklahoma, eastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Murray County in southern Oklahoma, Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, eastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles north of Venice to near Sulphur to near Grady, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts, $size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Ada, Sulphur, Davis, Marietta, Lone Grove, Healdton, Linwood, Wilson, Stratford, Dixon, Ringling, Allen, Mansville, Roth, Springer, Rabia, Stonewall, and Mill Creek. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.